congratulations. In your 29 years, what can you say, yung pinaka-grateful ka, pinaka-thankful ka? I'm sure marami, but top of your mind.
I think definitely my Viva family, that they never gave up on me. I've been with them 29 years din. Ganun na din katagal ako na sa parte ng Viva family. So, they never gave up on me when I was a 12-year-old kid na hindi marunong mag-Tagalog. Pilit nila ako binigyan ng mga roles, naging anak ako ni Ronnie Lazaro kahit hindi ako marunong mag-Tagalog. And then they really, gave me an opportunity to shine, to hone, to learn. And for that, I'll always be truly grateful. Kasi, andito pa rin tayo.
So, thank you, Anne. Moving forward, ano ba yung aabangan? May mga na-tease, pero ano yung pwede mong i-share? Movie, series, concert?
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 Parang baka pag 30th year, grabe yung 30 years! Medyo grabe talaga siya. When I saw nga na realization na 29 years na pala, medyo nagulat ako. But like, ano ba? I definitely want to focus more on films. Biglang itong past 3 years, medyo nakafocus ako dun sa By Bus ni Direk Eric Mati. Kasi medyo grabe yun, grabe. We've dedicated 3 years of our lives to that project. And we know it's gonna be worthwhile, and that's a series on Netflix coming very soon. Patapos na kami doon, and hopefully after that, as you saw earlier, may mga films tayong gagawin na na-miss ko, iba't ibang genre. So, nakaka-excite to start that again.
And then, last na lang, Anne, yung reaction mo na lang, you had a nomination, Outstanding, what's that? Asian Star.
Yes, it's my first time to get nominated yata. Oo. So I'm just grateful to even be nominated and considered. Again, this goes to show napapansin na po tayo yung Pilipinas. So I hope this is just the beginning of great things for the Filipino film and TV industry. Sabi ko nga parang the Koreans, of course, have had their moment. The Thai have had their moment. Antay naman tayo for the Philippines. Sana we have that moment too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Amen. Amen to the moment. It will come. Okay, ngayon